Game number 4. Shell trails 2 games to 1. Paras, power move, offensive rebound ni John Best. This will be a stroll in the park. Huy! Johnson and his familiar Best is underneath, off an offensive rebound. Oh, what a difficult shot. John Best was very, very deep underneath, but he was able to put that one up and in.
Espino from this game.
Yes.
Kanya palagay ko tuwan-tuwa si Perry Ronquillo because both of them are good threats. Ito naman si Juan Johnson tumira sa labas.
Esplana, binigay kay Pablo. Inilabas kay Paras. Binalik kay Victor Pablo. The killer tandem of Pablo and Paras. Kailangan pumukol si Rob Parker. Siya yung missing link actually dito. 8 puntos pa lang ang ginagawa ni Parker.
Only 8 points.
And he has been averaging in the semis 20 points per game. Inside to Calpito again. He is hemmed in. Gives it to Richard Del Rosario. Nothing there. Gets his own miss. And there's going to be a loose ball foul against June Marzan.
At si Marzan na matatawagan, partner. But that time, parang nagpakita ng konting sigla itong Santa Lucia.
Magandang takbo ng ating tally sa Budweiser PBA Buddies Kinito. Lamang ng bahagyan Johnson-Parker combination laban kay Best at Pablo.
Kung makikita natin, yes, in terms of points, well, lamang yung Johnson-Parker. Rebounds, the same. And assist, also with the advantage going to the Santa Lucia combination.
Mabutit hindi ginawang Best at saka Paras dahil sigurado lalampasuin sila ngayon with the performance of Benji Paras. 17 points today for the Tower of Power. But alam mo, meron tayong isa na po na dito as we begin the third quarter. Parang itong Santa Lucia has not played serious basketball so far. Parang nilalaro-laro ni Juan Johnson at saka ni Rob Parker itong first time.
And that's a big reason kung bakit ang dami nilang turnover. Tinatapon nila yung bola. Especially to si Juan Johnson, showboating, tapos nasisipa niya yung bola. The same thing with Rob Parker, especially at the start of this game, parang very loose ang concentration nila, no?
Santa Lucia had 15 turnovers noong first half compared only to 10 ng Formula Shell. 6 of those turnovers nagmula kay Dennis Espino, and that's very uncharacteristic for this big man.
Well, his shooting is off, his game is off, and as you saw, he took a leisurely, wide-open shot. Hindi pumasok yung tira. But yun nga, he's staying in the game because siya dumidepensa dito kay John Best because they want Rob Parker to rove and roam on defense.
Paras has to put this one up as the shot clock was winding down. Hindi tumama sa ring. So mga ngulugan na 24-second shot clock violation laban sa Formula Shell. Pero Ronquillo trying to keep Shell's Grand Slam hopes alive.
And si Perry looking very displeased at hindi sila nakakuha ng magandang pagkakataon to score on that last attempt.
Mataas na naman ang scorean dito, Kinito. And that's not a real good sign for Formula Shell because as we know, ang lahat ng mga laro dito medyo nasa mid-80s ang pagkapanalo.
Well, yes, gusto nga ng Santa Lucia high scoring ito. But let's see what, another turnover.
Lead pass, and this will be a stroll in the park. Huy! Johnson and his familiar stance after a dunk. Magandang dunk shot yan. Pwede maging Mobiline phone foul. Best slam jam of the game.
Already with 10 fast break points itong Santa Lucia against 4 for Formula Shell.
Juan Johnson shot respectably in the first half. He was 4 out of 7 for 57%. Here's Paras, drops it off. Jackson, Binomba. Best is underneath, off an offensive rebound. Oh, what a difficult shot. John Best was very, very deep underneath, but he was able to put that one up and in. Back to a tight game, 45 all. Siyam at kalahati po sa third quarter. Parker bumps into Jerry Esplana and is called for the offensive foul.
Again, it's that lack of concentration on the part of Parker. He knew it was another turnover here for Santa Lucia.
Ang Shell umaasa na yung kanilang streak na hindi sila natatalo ng dalawang sunod ay magpapatuloy dito po sa 1999 season. Here's that last move by John Best. Look at that, falling down deep underneath, and he was still able to make that kiss off the glass. John Best, a alumni of the University of Tennessee.
Actually, Tennessee Tech.
Tennessee Tech.
Ito si John Best, and as a senior, he actually was the NCAA's third leading scorer. Over 28 points a game at second round draft choice ka ng New Jersey Nets. Ito si John Best back in 93.
In his 4th season and the 5th conference sa PBA. Well, sana po kayo yung lahat na nakapaghapunan na. Kami ni Kinito ay busog na. Hindi lamang dahil sa ganda ng laro, kung hindi sa napakasarap at napakalinamnam na quick melt ensaymada na hatid sa amin ni Cheloy Ignacio, ni Miss Cheloy Ignacio. Maraming salamat sa quick melt ensaymada. Isa na lang yung take home ko dahil kinain na Kinito yung dalawa.
Oh, yung isa lang ha?
Isa lang ba? Sino na naman ang kumuha ng isa? 45 all ang ating score, mga kaibigan. 9-11 remaining. Naipit si Benji Paras, nabitawan ng bola. Juan Johnson, tinatanganan na ni Victor Pablo. Wala pang foul. And they will set this one up. Ang layo niya, makatitira dyan.
Ito, double team sa labas.
Parker takes the PLDT long distance shot. Wala offensive rebound ni Espino. Goes baseline and a back pass. Throws that ball away.
And another turnover here for Dennis Espino.
7 turnovers now. John Best goes up. Wala. And Parker gets the ball.
Oh, lucky break here for Santa Lucia.
And there's going to be a blocking foul. Actually, Parker wanted to do a fancy move again. Gusto niya sana paikutin yung bola sa kay Jerry Esplana. At mo si Adonis Tierra. Para sinasabi niya, simplihan na lang natin. Let's watch the slow-mo. Brought to you by Smart Goal. GSM sets you free. And Jerry Esplana picking up his first foul of the game. Nakikita mo si Adonis parang sinasabi niya, laro na to, wag na natin laruin pa.
Actually, sinasayang nga ng Santa Lucia yung mga pagkakataon nila, no?
Oo. Pinasa ni Juan Johnson, humake silimbot, natapik ni Jerry Esplana na naman. Active hands for Mr. Cool. 8 at 15 saglit na nalalabi sa ating third quarter. John Best. Inilipat nila Victor Pablo sa kanto. In and out. Rebound na pulot ni Rob Parker. 1-on-3 lamang ang mga dumidepensa. Hahamunin kaya? Tumira sa labas, tumapak sa linya, kapos. Ang sama ng decision making ito si Parker, no?
But also, absolutely no one there for the offensive rebound. Not, again, a 3-point shot, or rather a 2-point shot because nakatapak siya sa linya.
Yes.
No chance of falling inside kasi wala siya sa tiempo eh.
Oo. John Best up against Espino. Takes a long one. And again, like we started the first quarter, the scoring here in the third quarter, napakamatumal.
Well, actually, maswerte itong Santa Lucia. Sila din ang nagtatapa ng bola. Yung nga lang, itong Santa Lucia, itong Formula Shell, can't seem to get the basket.
Oo.
Nagbibinte sila.
Kumbaga, pinapantayan lamang nila yung nagagawa ng isa. Rob Parker na lead pass. Uy.
Oh, hindi niya nalaman.
Hindi niya naiangat.
Oh.
At yung shot clock hindi nag-reset. At tinawagan ng 24-second shot clock violation. Actually, humihingi ng traveling violation ng Formula Shell doon.
Alam mo, partner, mukha yata traveling yun, ano?
7:04 remaining. Game number 4. Shell trails 2-1. Paras, power move, offensive rebound ni John Best.
Alam mo, tama ang ginagawa ni John Best. Nakikita niya, tinitriple team nito si Benji Paras as he's moving inside, closer and closer to the basket. Eh, nung binato ni Benji Paras, weak side rebounding, nandun si John Best. Sino naman ang mababox out kay John Best? Tatlo na naka-umbrella kay Benji Paras.
Oy!
Oh, that's a heartbreaker of a miss. Nandun na si Juan Johnson.
Pasok na, niluwa pa. Shell on top by 2. 6.5 remaining in the third. Paras, keyhole, set shot. Walang another offensive rebound. Victor Pablo with a putback. And that's a no-no. Alam natin na si Pero Ronquillo at ang buong Formula Shell, lamang sila pagdating sa rebounding. But in the first half, Shell, or rather Santa Lucia, did a good job. They stayed with Formula Shell. They were out-rebounded by only 1, 17-16.
At nakita nga natin sa ating halftime stats, no? 8 offensive rebounds for Formula Shell and only 4 for Santa Lucia. Ito, another turnover. Nawala na naman. Jun Lipot, tumatakbo Formula Shell.
Esplana, binigay kay Pablo. Inilabas kay Paras. Binalik kay Victor Pablo. The killer tandem of Pablo and Paras. The deadly piece combining here in the third quarter as Formula Shell has erected a 6-point lead. Watch it again. Back to you, buddy. And Victor Pablo, sabi niya, hindi kita papahiya. 6-point ball game, abante ang Zoom Masters. Muli po nagbabalik kami sa Phil Sports Arena. Magandang gabi sa ating mga kababayan sa lalawigan ng Quezon, sa Candelaria, dyan sa Lucban, and of course sa Lucena City. Welcome sa inyong bayan ng superstars. Noli Iyala po kasama si Quinito Henson. And Shell has erected a 6-point lead here as we take a look at the points off the turnovers. Katakot-takot na nakukuha ng Formula Shell dito.
Well, too many turnovers here for Santa Lucia at nagkakapitalize naman itong Formula Shell. Yung isa na natin, partner, no? Ito, as you see, Calpito is fouled underneath. Mabilis ang pasahan ng Santa Lucia. Yung nakikita natin sa defensive rotation ng Santa Lucia. Ito nabanggit na natin ito. Ito si Rob Parker is playing the role of a rover. Siya nagdo-double team kung sino makahawak ng bola. Ang naiiwanan naman niya, ito si Victor Pablo, which is the reason kung bakit si Pablo napapasahan naman ngayon ng Formula Shell. Hinahanap na nila si Victor Pablo because they know he is getting left open. Kasi ito si Rob Parker, nagdo-double team kung sino man ang may hawak ng bola.
Well, nagkaroon ng adjustment kinito si Adonis Tierra, pero ang adjustment niya, pagpapalit ng tao, hinugot niya yung dalawang malaki niya, si Espino at si Limpot, na nakakapagtaka yan. Dahil sabi mo nga, bihirang ilabas yung dalawang yan ng magkasabay, no? Ipinalit niya si Calpito at si Richard De Rosario, and Orquillas is also in the game. Iniupo naman niya si Ronnie Magsanok. So this is an unusual 5 for the Realtors right now, who are trailing by 5 points in this game.
Well, partner, nagre-react lang si Adonis Tierra, no? Unang-una, ito si Jun Limpot. Sunod-sunod ang mga turnover niya dito sa quarter na ito. And Dennis Espino hasn't been able to find his game. And so, he's cooling them off.
Okay, masyado maano yun.
Hindi naman si Rob Parker yung partner.
Tama.
Oo.
Not for a Banjo Calpito. And look at Parker and Quan Johnson talking about it.
Again, ito yung sinasabi natin. Oo. Settle down, sabi ni Adonis Tierra. Sinasabi nga natin, sinasayang na Santa Lucia ang mga pagkakataon nila, no? They've been able to get good stops.
Uy, double dribble.
Aha. May pressure sa depensa ni Michael Orquillas.
Pambihira nilalaro ni Mike Orquillas ngayon,
Yes.
Kinito. Talagang parang statement game para sa kanya. 13 puntos noong first half. Led the team in scoring. Was perfect from the three-point range and perfect from the free throw line. And another turnover against Santa Lucia.
Sunod-sunod na to.
As we said, Santa Lucia had 15 turnovers back in the first half. And Jerry Esplana,
Well, bumawi ka agad si Jerry Esplana.
tiningnan niya pa si Orquillas. And Orquillas will pick up his third foul now. Let's watch this again as Mr. Cool takes Orquillas to school. And one for Jerry Esplana. Jerry Esplana, Rookie of the Year back in 1990. Played for FEU. Gets the three-point play completed at walo na po ang abante ng Formula Shell laban sa Santa Lucia Realty. Johnson goes up. And there's a foul on that drive by KJ. Vic Pablo with his second foul.
Ang nakikita natin dito sa Santa Lucia, parang kanya-kanyang biyahe na sila, no?
Oh.
If it's not Rob Parker trying to take the outside shot, ito naman si Quan Johnson trying to create situations for himself by penetrating. Wala nang pasahan eh. And this is something that Coach Adonis Tierra must try to arrest yung skid nila and also their penchant to go one-on-one rather than play team ball.
Played for the University of New Orleans nung kanyang college days, and right after college he moved to the CBA and played for the Yakima Suns. Was the Pennsylvania Valley Dogs top scorer, and he gets both free throws to cut down Formula Shell's lead to 6 points. 4.5 remaining sa ating third quarter. Shell has 14 fouls, ang Santa Lucia isa. Nasa poste na naman si Jerry Esplana. Laban kay Mike Orquillas, who's playing with 3 fouls. Esplana puts on the speed, kicks it out. John Best takes a beat at the basket. Wala. Rebound na naman ni Benji Paras.
Tinanap nila si John Best sa loob. Oh, good defense, pero sila na naman ang nakakuha ng bola.
Shot clock is not reset with a back pass by Chris Jackson. Pinasa niya kay Joey Guanyo ng kanilang assistant coach. And there's Perry Ronquillo. Well, he likes what he's seeing right now, except for that last play. The defense is holding up, and their production is increasing here.
Well, one thing he has done, partner, he has eliminated Jun Limpot and Dennis Espino from this game.
Yes.
Kanya palagay ko tuwan-tuwa si Perry Ronquillo because both of them are good threats. Ito naman si Juan Johnson, tumira sa labas.
Talk about threats.
Sa
Juan
tingin ko,
Johnson.
partner, ito Santa Lucia, the only way that they can really put pressure on Santa Lucia, tumindi ang kanilang depensa, no? That's where they can be aggressive sa kanilang depensa.
And aggressive they are in their defense.
Ito, nakakuha sila ng turnover. O, kamuntik na napakabas
Ano?
si Juan Johnson ni Chris Jackson.
Actually, kung meron ng Formula Shell na Jay Mendoza, itong Santa Lucia merong Banjo Calpito eh.
Oo.
Ang kulit niya, he's a very pesky defender. Watch this. He just stays on the ball, taps that ball away, and handled last by Victor Pablo. And Banjo Calpito certainly given quality minutes para kay Coach Adonis Tierra today.
Ito si Rob Parker. Ito ang kanilang loose cannon, partner.
Oo.
Aha.
Ito na naman. Pero may pito. Illegal defense yata. Laban kay Benji Paras.
Basket
Pumasok yun. Sabi niya sayang. And Benji Paras with the first infraction ng Formula Shell. Jun Marsan now checking in for Victor Pablo, who had a very good third quarter, or start of the third quarter, total of 14 points, 4 dito sa yugtong ito. Pero mukhang napagod na ng bandang huli. At yung depensa niya ay medyo naiiwanan ng konti. At si Jun Marsan ang ngayon ang didepensa kay Juan Johnson.
Well, pinag-uusapan natin, Johnson and Parker, no? In the 2 games na pinanalo ng Santa Lucia sa seryeng ito, ang average nila was about 50 points together.
That's right.
But in the game that they lost, ang average nila, 28 points, no? Kanya, that's a very, very big drop.
Yes. Well, 51 to be exact ang kanilang average in the 2 games that they've won. And Banjo Calpito again displaying his strength here. Nakuha niya yung foul mula kay Benji Paras. He was deep under the basket, pero kahit na gano'n, hindi siya natakot. Ito, panoorin natin to.
Ito yung pasa, napakaganda ng pasa. Ito yung sinasabi natin, they've got to continue passing the ball. Get locals involved in the offense. Hindi lang sina Johnson at saka si Parker. That time, they were able to pick up a foul. May free throw pa si Calpito. Kanina pinag-uusapan natin yung combined totals ni na Parker and Johnson so
Yes.
far in this game. Ilan na ba? 26 points together. So malayo pa sa kanilang average, winning
51.
average of 51.
Well, kailangan pumukol si Rob Parker. Siya yung missing link actually dito. 8 puntos pa lang ang
Yes.
ginagawa ni Parker.
Only 8 points.
And he has been averaging in the semis 20 points per game. Inside to Calpito again. He is hemmed in. Gives it to Richard Del Rosario. Nothing there. Gets his own miss. And there's going to be a loose ball foul against Jun Marsan.
At si Barca na matatawagan, partner. But that time, parang nagpakita ng konting sigla itong Santa Lucia in crashing the boards.
Well, they have been beaten black and blue off the boards. Pero si Calpito and Richard Rosario working hard for Santa Lucia. And Santa Lucia still trails by 2 here in the third quarter.
Motolite, bateryang pangmatagalan. The official car battery of the PBA.
Muli po isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. Lalong-lalo na ang ating mga kabarangay dito sa Barangay Canyogan, Pasig City. Welcome sa inyo lahat sa Bayan ng Superstars. Noel Iyala po kasama si Kinito Henson. This is the third quarter of game number 4. Ang Santa Lucia trying to wrap things up here and end over 6 years of futility dito sa PBA. At ang Formula Shell, well, hanging tough, trying to extend their winning run, their glorious run sa finals dito sa end of this millennium. And Richard De Rosario missing his first free throw. Si Ato Agustin is back in the game. 2 mintis mula kay Del Rosario. And look at Calpito. Hustling
Ito
for that
sinasabi
rebound.
natin, crashing the boards,
Oo.
showing a parang newfound aggressiveness and intensity.
Juan Johnson. Again, Calpito is there. Parang pinapakita ng Calpito at kay Dennis Espino at kay Limpot. Ganito maglaro ng game number 4. And Juan Johnson blocking John Best from behind.
That was a short 2 points for Formula Shell. Nanabura ni Juan Johnson with that good defensive move.
Wala silang gini-give upan dito kinito. Lahat inahabol ng
Oo.
Santa Lucia. John Best coming off the corner. Andun si Rob Parker sa harap niya. 2.5 remaining in the third quarter. Paras. And there's another whistle here by referee Tangonan.
Well, wala pa sa penalty ang Santa Lucia. On the other hand, ito Formula Shell already in the penalty.
First foul, second team foul, Santa Lucia Realty.
2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. We ended the first half at 43 all. Noong first quarter, 19-17, abante ang Formula Shell. So it's been so close here. Lead pass, muntik na pumasok yung tapik na yan ni Rob Parker. But again, good fronting defense from Parker.
Ito sinasabi natin, yung front defense si Robert Parker, dapat pag-aralan natin yan because he's showing so many moves, how to do it so well.
And sometimes, medyo kinikriticize natin yung kanyang offensive decision making. But remember, he is playing tough defense and he's probably going to be worn out by the way he plays defense laban kay John Best.
Actually, nakawala yun si Rob Parker in that move. Hindi lang pumasok yung kanyang layup. Nandun na, isusubo na lang sana niya, no?
1 minuto, 39 na saglit po nalalabi. Paras. Uy, nagsapal na naman. Yun yung tinatawag na baon sa volleyball. Marami tayong nakita niyan last weekend. And Rob Parker may have seen some of the games. Watch it again. Here's a quick set. And it's out of here.
Grabe yun. Talagang lumilipad dito si Robert Parker. He's a 3-point shot.
Sablay. Best with an offensive rebound. Natapik niya ito. Agustin sa likod. Sabi siguro nila, kung kayo lang ang, akala nyo ba, kayo lang ang mabilis na kamay. Mabilis din ako, sabi niya to.
Well, last several possessions sa Formula Shell, hindi sila naka-score. Series of defensive stops ng Santa Lucia.
That's right. Low scoring third quarter. Santa Lucia has only scored a total of 9 points.
Ito si Ato Agustin, hindi pa nakakapuntos ito.
Wala pa. Johnson nasa labas pa rin. Sasaksak sa loob. Hinamon ng dalawa at merong tawag.
May foul at tinamaan yata sa ilong ito si Juan Johnson.
Benji Paras.
Nakatawa na naman ito si Juan Johnson. Tinatamaan niya sa ilong. Okay lang.
Ayos lang.
Aha.
Trabaho lang eh.
At tinanong nga ito si Juan Johnson kung namimiss niya ang kanyang lady love na si Tanisha Miles,
Diba?
who is an incoming second-year player at St. John's University Varsity, 6'4". Yung girlfriend ni Juan Johnson, who was here for 2 weeks but left last Monday.
Ba? Babalik ba?
Sabi niya, magpapaalam daw sa kanyang coach to come here just before the NCAA season begins. Sabi niya, baka sa third conference na yun.
Ngayon pa naman na kailangan siya.
Yung inspirasyon, ano?
Oo, kung papasok man sila sa finals ng Commissioner's Cup. Well, Johnson missed his first free throw. He has 18 points today.
Alam mo, okay din sinabi sa akin ni Juan Johnson. Tinanong ko yun eh. You know, she's your inspiration. Do you miss her? Do you feel that your game goes down a notch when she's not here? Sabi niya, that's okay. She's in my heart.
Naku naman. Yan ang mga sinasabi ng mga ano eh. mga playboy. Ito si Victor Pablo. Pinasok muli after cooling off here. And let's see, illegal defense. Naipukol na yata yun, ha? Illegal defense laban sa Santa Lucia. And again, we'll take this opportunity to invite you sa Jollibee promo. Jollibee gives you big savings with Jollibee's best sellers 20% off. That's 20% savings on one-piece Chicken Joy Value Meal and Spaghetti Special Value Meal. This is only good until August 29. So magpadali po kayo. Hanggang linggo na lamang ang promo ng Jollibee Best Sellers 20% off. Para naman kami ni Kinito. 55-53.
Alam mo naman, regular customer tayo ng Jollibee.
Pagkatapos ng Ensenada, Jollibee naman.
Ito magpapadala sila rito sa panel eh.
Sabi ko na meron kayo
Welcome, thank you.
43 seconds na lang po, nalalabi. Ano to, illegal na naman. Pinuputak din ang illegal defense ng Santa Lucia. Pang-anin na yan.
Si Del Rosario na.
You know, one thing about this lineup ng Santa Lucia, Kinito, bagamat wala si Limpot at saka si Espino, at least nakakapahinga sila dito. Hindi naman lumalayo ang Shell.
Ito, yan, oo. At maganda naman ang depensa pinapakita ni Johnson and Parker, no? That's one thing about Rob Parker. He may be missing a lot of shots sa larong ito. Ang contribution niya, mga 8 points lang yata. No?
Tama.
Oh. Pero ang dami naman niyang tira ng Formula Shell na binura niya. With his blocks, his good defense on Best, yung kanyang tapik, yung front defense niya, no? Well,
he has limited John Best to only 13 points here. They move it around. Noy Castillo with a close. Yes, sir. PLDT long distance shot from the Golden Boy. 6 points in the game, dalawang PLDT long distance shots. And the lead is up to 6, 59 to 53 seconds remaining in the third. Parker, laban kay Jackson, takes the three, nothing there. Rebound ni Victor Pablo. 10 seconds to go. Still enough time. Castillo will take this one slowly, looks for Pablo. Shot clock winding. Pablo beating the buzzer. Victor the Conqueror. Well, conquering the defense in that last play. At ang Formula Shell, mga kaibigan, will not go away at all in this game. Victor Pablo knocking down the last shot with seconds winding down. At ang Formula Shell will begin the fourth quarter with a big 8-point lead.